Welcome to this IT exam quiz session by IT Exam Tool for Databricks Certified Machine Learning Associate Exam. In this video, each question will be read aloud, followed by a short pause and an on-screen countdown, so you can think and choose your answer, just like in a real exam. After the countdown, the correct answer will be revealed with explanation. Make sure you attempt each question honestly before the answer appears. Let's begin. Question number 1. You are preparing a model that must be trained repeatedly with different parameters to improve performance. Which Databricks feature is best suited for managing and tracking these experiments? A. Delta Lake. B. MLflow. C. Autoloader. D. Unity Catalog. The answer for the first question is B. MLflow. In Databricks ML workflows, regression problems are handled using algorithms that predict continuous numerical values, making regression the correct choice. Question number 2. When working with large data sets, efficient data processing becomes critical for machine learning workflows. Which Spark component is primarily responsible for distributed data processing in Databricks? A. Spark SQL. B. Spark Driver. C. Spark Executors. D. Databricks Workspace. The answer for the second question is C. Spark Executors. Spark Executors run tasks in parallel across worker nodes, performing the actual distributed data processing in Databricks. Question number 3. Before training a machine learning model, data often needs to be split correctly to avoid bias. Which approach is commonly used in Databricks to split data for training and testing? A. Random sampling. B. Train test split. C. Cross-join. D. Window partitioning. The answer for question 3 is B. Train test split. Train test split divides data into separate training and testing sets to evaluate model performance and reduce bias. Question number 4. Model performance can degrade when it learns noise instead of meaningful patterns. Which technique helps reduce overfitting in machine learning models on Databricks? A. Increasing epochs. B. Regularization. C. Removing features. D. Increasing learning rate. The answer for question 4 is B. Regularization. Regularization penalizes model complexity, helping prevent overfitting by reducing the impact of noise in the training data. Question number 5. Deploying a trained model for real-time predictions requires a scalable solution. Which Databricks capability allows serving machine learning models as REST endpoints? A. Databricks SQL. B. MLflow Model Registry. C. Delta Live Tables. D. Databricks Repos. The answer for question 5 is B. MLflow Model Registry. MLflow Model Registry manages model versions and enables deployment of models as REST endpoints for real-time predictions. Question 6. In real-world ML projects, tracking experiments becomes critical as models evolve. Which Databricks feature helps you log parameters, metrics, and artifacts for machine learning experiments? A. Databricks Jobs. B. MLflow. C. Autoloader. D. Delta Live Tables. The answer for question 6 is B. MLflow. MLflow is designed to log, track, and manage parameters, metrics, and artifacts across machine learning experiments. Question 7. When working with large data sets, performance and reliability matter the most. Which Databricks storage layer provides ACID transactions and version data for ML pipelines? A. Parquet. B. Hive. C. Delta Lake. D. CSV. The answer for question 7 is C. Delta Lake. Delta Lake provides ACID transactions and data versioning, ensuring reliable and consistent data handling for ML pipelines. Question 8. Choosing the right cluster configuration can significantly impact ML training speed. Which Databricks cluster type is best suited for running distributed machine learning workloads? A. Single node cluster. B. High concurrency cluster. C. Standard cluster. D. Job cluster. The answer for question 8 is C. Standard cluster. Standard clusters are designed to run distributed Spark workloads, making them suitable for scalable machine learning training. Question 9. Before training a model, validating input data quality is essential. Which Databricks feature helps enforce data expectations and catch bad data early? A. Delta Live Tables. B. MLflow Registry. C. Databricks SQL. D. Feature Store. The answer for question 9 is A. Delta Live Tables. Delta Live Tables enforces data quality rules and expectations during pipeline execution, helping detect and handle bad data early. Question 10. Reusing features across multiple ML models improves consistency and productivity. Which Databricks component is designed specifically to store and share ML features? A. Unity Catalog. B. Feature Store. C. MLflow Tracking. D. Auto Loader. The answer for question 10 is B. Feature Store. The Databricks Feature Store is specifically built to centrally store, manage, and reuse machine learning features across multiple models. Question number 11. In real-world ML workflows, experiment comparison is critical for choosing the best model. Which Databricks tool is primarily used to log parameters, metrics, and artifacts across multiple ML experiments? A. Feature Store. B. MLflow Tracking. C. Unity Catalog. D. Delta Lake. The answer for question 11 is B. MLflow Tracking. MLflow Tracking records parameters, metrics, and artifacts across experiments, making it easy to compare and select the best performing ML model. So, here we conclude the video quiz presented by IT Exam Tools for the Databricks Certified Machine Learning Associate Exam, Part -1. I hope this session helped you practice effectively and assess your exam readiness. Subscribe to the channel as we regularly update and bring the latest exam questions for practice. Thank you for joining.